3 marks question. Here cube root x by 729 cube root 8x by 729 plus cube root 27x by 5 by 32 equal to 1. Find the value of x. Here if we observe 729 is a cube term, 729 is a cube term, 583 and this side also cube term, and this 27 and 5832 are also cube terms. I need to go for prime factorization. For cube roots we can go for this estimation method. See, after 3 pass, see the first digit, it's 2. Which cube has 2 in the first place? 1 cube, we know 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 9, 4 cube 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cubes 216, 7 cube I am writing as x power 1 by 3 by 729 means which cube? 9 cube. 9 cube whole power 1 by 3. See, anywhere cube root a means a power 1 by 3 we can write. If cube root a by b means a power 1 by 3, b power 1 by 3 we can write. Okay. So here 3 cancel. So what left over? X power 1 by 3 by 9. And the other one 8 means 2 cube whole power 1 by 3, x power 1 by 3 by again 9 cube whole power 1 by 3. Here 3 cancel, 3 cancel. So what left over? 2 by 9 x power 1 by 3. And the third one 27 means 3 cube 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 by 18 cube whole power 1 by 3. Here 3 cancel, 3 cancel. So what left over? 3 x power 1 by 3 by 18. 3 ones are 360. So these three, in these three terms x power 1 by 3 is there. If we take out x power 1 by 3 in common, 1 by 9 plus 2 by 9 plus 1 by 6 will be there equal to 1. Here 1 by 9 plus 2 by 9 means these two are like fractions. So 2 plus 1, 3 by 9 plus 1 by 6. 3 by 9 means 3 ones are 3 threes are. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 means what? 6 plus 3, 9. 9 by 18. 9 by 18 means again 9 ones are 9 twos are. So here x power 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 equal to 1. X power 1 by 3 equal to 2. So both sides, if we do cubing on both sides, x power 1 by 3 whole cube equal to 2 cube. Cube cancel. So x equal to 2 cube means 8 is the answer. Find the least number by which 1372 must be multiplied. 1372. 1372 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Cube means multiplied or division. Given means we should go for prime factorization method. Addition or subtraction means we should go for long division. So 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are again 12. 2 3s are 4, 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. It is again 7 cube. So here in the prime factorization of 1372, 2 square into 7 cube. So we need to multiply by 2 because here cube is there, so this is okay. But here 2 square only there. We need another 2. So we should multiply by 2 to 1372 to become a perfect cube. So now after multiplying this with the 2 it becomes 2 cube into 7 cube equal to 2 into 1372. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 617, 2 1s 2. This cube root is 2 into 7. In this question, see, in this question there was a food provision for 120 men for 200 days. See, table is very important. X by men days. Men, if 120, 200 days food is there. Food for 200 days is there. 5 days, end of 5 days means 5 days they completed the food. So from what about the remaining days? 200 minus 5. End of 5 days means 5 days they completed the food. But what about the remaining days? In 200 days, 5 days were completed. So the remaining days is 195. For 195, 120 members can eat the remaining food. But after these 5 days, 30 members left. So means 120 minus 30, because 30 members were transferred to the another camp. Means 120 minus 30 is 90. So 90 members, in how many days they can sustain with that food? Means 120 members in 195 days they can complete the food. So now 90 members only there. How much food can be completed? Most of this sums, food provision sums can be inverse variation. So inverse variation formula is x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. Here this is no need. So here x1 y1, x2 y2. 120 into 195 is equal to 90 into y2. So y2 equal to 120 into 195 by 90. 0 0 cancel. 3 3s, 3 4s, 3 6 is 18 and 3 5s. So what is 4 into 65? 4 5 is 20. See, the perimeter of a parallelogram is 160. One of its sides is greater than the other by 30 centimeters. This greater is important. Find the length of the sides of a parallelogram. We know that in a parallelogram the opposite sides are equal. So the perimeter formula is 2 into L plus B, because 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So this perimeter is 160 and the condition is given. One of its sides is greater than the other by 30. For example, breadth is B, then length is B plus 30. So substitute that. 2 into L means B plus 30 and B means B. So 2, how much? 160 to 80. So 80 equal to B plus B, 2B plus 30. So 2B equal to 80 minus 30, how much? 50. B equal to 2 ones are 225. B equal to 25. Find the length of the sides of a parallelogram. This is one length. So what about length? Length is B plus 30, na? B plus 30 means what? 30 plus 25, that is 55. So the lengths of 25, 55, 25, 55 centimeters. Write units for every number. That is very important. A closed metallic cylinder box is 1.25 meters high and its base of radius 35 centimeters. If the sheet of the metal costs 80 rupees per meter square, then find the cost of the material used in the box. Here this is height, this is radius. It's a cylindrical box. So, and if the sheet of the metal costs, then find the cost of the. It's a closed metallic cylinder. So here students may get confusion about whether TSA or CSA or volume. Yeah, we are not filling anything in the cylinder. We are making a cylindrical box with the sheet. So it's and it is closed. So it is we should go for TSA of the cylinder. What is cylinder TSA formula? CSA is 2 pi RH. Volume is pi r square h. And CSA, the top and bottom if we add means that is TSA. 2 pi RH plus top is circle, bottom is circle. Both are pi r square and pi r square, 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r if we take in common, see 2 pi r, 2 pi in the square 1 r. Then what is left over? H plus r. So 2 pi r into h plus r. R equal to 35 centimeters. But the cost is given in meters, na? It is better to convert the centimeters into meters. So 35 for 1 meter 100 centimeters, na? That's 5. We should convert into meters by dividing by 100. So 0.35 meters. And h equal to, it is given in meters only, 1.25 meters. Now TSA equal to 2 into pi means 22 by 7. R means 0.35. H plus R means 1.25 plus 0.35. 1.20 plus 30, 50. 5 plus 5, 10. So 1.6. So 7, 5 is a 35. 5. But here 2 decimal places, so 0.05. Now whatever left over we can multiply. 2 22s are 44 and 16 5s are 80. And here 2 decimals, here 1 decimal, total 3 decimals, 1, 2, 3. So 0.8, 0 cancel. Now with this 8 we should multiply. 8 4s are 32, again 8 4s are 32, 3, 35. One decimal is there, that is 35.2. Here meters na, so meter square. For 1 meter square the cost is 80 rupees. 35.2 meters square, the cost is how much? 80 into 35.2. 0, 8 2s are 16, 8 5s are 40 plus 1 41, 8 3s are 24 plus 4 28. Here one decimal point, 0 cancel. So 2816 rupees is the answer. Here 2 into 22 44 into 16 5s are 80. But here 2 decimals, here 1 decimal. We need only 3 decimals, 1 2 3 0 point. So 0 cancel. Now we should multiply. 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32, 3 35. But here 2 decimals are there na, 1 2. So 3.52 meter square is the TSA of the cylinder. In the question it is given the cost of the metal sheet for 1 meter square is 80 rupees. Here how many meter square we are having? 3.52 meter square. For this we need to multiply 3.52 into 80, that is 0, 8 2s are 16, 8 5s are 41, 8 3s are 24 4 28. 2 decimals, so 281 rupees 60 paise is the answer. Here the diameter of a roller is 120 centimeters long, is 84 centimeters. We should take care, this is diameter, so D equal to 84 centimeters. So R equal to 84 by 2. Diameter is 2 radius na, D equal to. So if we want radius, we should do D by 2. 84 by 2 means 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. 42 centimeters R. Now roller means how it looks like this. So this is nothing but the cylinder. If this is length, we can take it as a H. So the height is given as 120 centimeters. So radius is there, height is there. See, to level the road, which surface is taking part? Only the CSA is taking part, not this surface or not this surface. So to measure the area of the playground which is leveled, we should go for finding CSA of the roller. CSA, and for one revolution it is leveling the 1 CSA area. So for 300 revolution, we should multiply 300 into CSA. First we will find the CSA. What is CSA formula of cylinder? 2 pi R H. See, 2 into 22 by 7 into R means what? 42 we got. 42 into H means 120. 120. So 7, 6 are 42. So now multiply what are left over. 222 is 44. 12, 6 are 72 and 0. Now multiply. Here this 0 I am writing directly, later I will write 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28 to 30, 8, 16, 1, 3. So the final answer is 3168 and this 0. 31680 centimeter square is leveling for 1 revolution. Like this, how many revolution it is doing? 300. So we should multiply 31680 into 300. So here 300, 3 zeros 1, sorry, 1, 2, 3. Multiply with 3. 3 8s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 2, 3 6 are 18 to 20, 3 1s are 3 to 5, 3 3s are 9. This much area, it is in centimeters square, so it is given like looking like this much number. So this much area is level for 300 complete revolutions. See, but the rate is given for 5 rupees for square meter. 1 meter 100 centimeters. 1 square meter 100 into 100 centimeters square. So here for 1 meter square it is 5 rupees. 9504123 zeros by 1 2 3 4 here 100. So here 4752 rupees is the cost of the leveling of the playground. Question is, for a square we have a perimeter 4 into side of the square. Consider the relation between the perimeter p equal to 4a and the side of the square given. See, p equal to 4a. Here this is a square, so we can take the a values as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just we'll go to graph. We got relation between p and a is p equal to 4a. So for the graph we need the entries, x values and the y values. Here x values are a and the y values are p. So we'll find p and a values, a and p. If we take a as 1, p becomes 4 into 1, 4. If we take a as 2, p becomes 4 2s are 8. A is 3 means 4 3s are 12. 4 means 4 4s are 16. 5 means 5 4s 20. So these are the coordinates: 1 4, 2 8, 3 12, 4 16 and 5 20. So now we need to plot these points. See, the graph we can draw like this: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like this, and like this on the y axis. So 1 4. See, this is the first coordinate you should select on y axis, x axis. The next one you should select on y axis. Go for x axis, which is horizontal. 1, here it is 1. Okay, 4 means here it is 4. So 4 and 1. So this is the pointer 1 4.